Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I want to show you some more options that we added here in VideoSynth.ai for you. So let's go ahead and start working on a project so I can show them to you. So I already have my sequence here. I'm going to add some events, and the first one that I want to talk about is show system text. Now this one is pretty similar to show text with a black outline, which is mainly used as subtitles for some videos. But this one is better in a solid color background as it does not have an outline and can get lost. But let's continue with the options that this feature will provide you. Now, of course, this is a text option. You will be able to add some text. So I already have something that I'm going to paste and continue with the alignment, which is the same as the show text event, which is middle, top, or bottom. I'm going to select top, and then the alignment of the text. This is going to be related to text editors where you can have the information centered, placed on the right or on the left. So I'm going to go with left in this case. Now for font size, of course, it's just how big is the font going to be of the text that you're adding here. Font style doesn't have as many options as the show text, but you're going to find here bold and italics, and of course the normal or standard option. Then show style is how this is going to appear on the screen. And we have different types of fading. This is going to be from one side or just appear slowly, which is kind of what fading means. So the last option is going to be change color. Now for this, I really recommend you high saturated tones, which is tones with a lot of color. In this case, I want to use this green, but of course, a bright yellow will also work, maybe something like this, and also depends on the background that you have. I have a very strong color, which is black, so I'm going to go with something that is very, very bright so the words can be read easily. Once we have that, I'm going to click here and we can go ahead and preview the sequence. So you notice how it appeared from a side. This is something that we can modify going back to this and just select the other option that we may want for this. So fading is appearing slowly. The other options will make the text appear from one side or top or bottom end of the screen. So I'm going to keep that one, and of course we have the start time and the duration. The start time is when is this going to appear on the screen, and the duration is how much time is going to be displayed on the screen after it appeared. So that's going to be it for this image. Let me show you again so you can get an idea of what you can do with this. As you can see, kind of seems like very technical information. So this is something I recommend for you to showing or explaining information to maybe employees or for a school presentation. And the next tool that I want to show you is something that is going to make your life way easier if you're trying to make a video where the speech bubble is not displayed, but you're displaying the show text with the black outline. So to do this very easy, we go to populate speech bubbles from text. Then we're going to preview. This is going to generate the speech bubbles. So we click here and there you go. Now we go to the sequence events. We're going to have two because this is what was displayed, but we can then go to create show text with the black outline events from speech bubbles. Now if we do that, we're going to get a message as well. We click OK, and then we can see that we have the show text with the black outline event, and the speech bubble has been unselected where it says show. So if we go and preview the sequence, it is not going to show the speech bubbles, but it's going to have the information using the show text feature. For the next edition, I am going to change the sequence stage, so I'll be back shortly. Alright, so I just changed the background and I want to show you how it looks right now. Alright, so that's fine. I mean, it might be a part of the story or something, but I want this to be a little bit more dramatic. So something we can do is add the dip to black event. This is going to change everything on the screen to go to black, and then we can add a duration if it's this something that we want to keep, or if we just want this to be a little second. For my video, maybe I would like this to keep until the rest of the sequence and then make something else on a different one. But of course, you can use this to change information using text, or to add maybe another avatar, or progress through a story in any way that a transition to black will allow you to do. So for this example, I'm just going to do it. Let's go and make this after just 3 seconds. And then we're going to make it last for a long time, so we know that it's going to last the whole duration of the video, and we can preview the sequence now. So as you can see, this kind of works in a way as a transition, but it's happening on the same event. We don't need to make several sequences in order to move from one idea to another while on the same sequence or section of the video. I hope that you find this information interesting and that it inspires you to create more videos using VideoSynth.ai. That is going to be it for me, but as you know, I'll be back in another video with more information for you. But until then, goodbye.